This demo is designed to show you the versatility of the Ultra CSV Crawlspace vent. The vent sometimes does not fit up underneath the siding or will not fit underneath the sheeting because too many nails have been used in that particular area. So the versatility of the Ultra CSV Crawlspace vent can be easily noticed by turning the vent around and seeing the scored area. These scored areas allow you to break down the crawlspace vent to shorten it up. Using just a pair of pliers, the scored part easily comes off from the crawlspace vent. It will now easily fit into the opening. However, we have a problem. We do not have a complete seal onto the sill plate. So we're going to extend the sill plate by using a piece of 1x and screwing it up into the sill plate as an extension of that sill plate. We want to make sure that the 1x is flush with what is the foundation. These boards on the side are representing the blocks that would be a part of your foundation. The board on the top is the sill plate, and we want to make sure that the sill plate and the blocks are flush. This will allow us to get a complete seal. The sill plate and the blocks of foundation needs to be completely flush in order to ensure a good seal onto the foundation. As you can see, the extension now makes it flush with the sill plate and flush with the blocks, and we can adjust that accordingly so that we have a complete seal. It's highly important now to make sure that we have ample caulk on the back of the faceplate, which will now seal onto the foundation and the sill plate. The extension to the sill plate allows for an even flow of caulk and gives the opening a good solid seal.